All right, welcome to the next clip. All right, so this is the plywood. As you can see, it started deteriorating around here, and then this porch post, or this rafter tail, is something I actually had to use the wood filler and the Bondo on. But before I actually get to that, I want to make sure I cut this out, see if there's any more damage underneath here before I actually start using the wood restorer. And then plan on putting a whole new sheet of plywood up here, because as you can see, this is giving away a little bit. So I'm going to cut right about here and down, put another piece of plywood in place, and then once I do that, just make sure that everything is good there before I actually put the new plywood in. But that's what my work is ahead of me, and so I'll show you what the replaced plywood actually looks like. All right, more to come. Bye.